The amplitude of sine of pi by 5 plus I 1 minus cos pi by 5 is dash. This is in the form of x plus iy. So amplitude is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Applying this formula. So amplitude is equal to tan inverse of y, that is 1 minus cos pi by 5 by sine pi by 5. It is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos pi by 5 is 2 sine square pi by 10. Applying multiple formulas, sine pi by 5, that is 2 sine pi by 10 cos pi by 10. Here is 2 cancelled, 1 sine pi by 10 cancelled, that is equal to tan inverse of sine pi by 10 by cos pi by 10. That is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 10 equal to pi by 10. So amplitude is equal to pi by 10. If u plus iv is equal to 3i by x plus iy plus 2, then y is equal to dash. The APM set 2018 question. Here is given u plus iv is equal to 3i by x plus iy plus 2. From this equation, x plus iy plus 2 is equal to 3i by u plus iv. Take rationalizing, that is u minus iv by u minus iv equal to 3iu minus 3vi square by u square plus v square. I square is minus 1, that is 3v plus 3ui by u square plus v square. So that is x plus 2 plus iy is equal to 3v plus I into 3u by u square plus v square. So from equating imaginary parts, y is equal to 3u by u square plus v square. This is the value of y. If z is equal to x plus iy and z square is equal to I z bar whole square, then dash. Here is given z is equal to x plus iy, then z bar is equal to x minus iy. Substituting these values in given relation, that is z square is equal to I z bar whole square. Z square is, that is x plus iy square is equal to I into z bar, that is x minus iy square. X plus iy whole square is equal to, so ix minus I square, that is plus y whole square. So x square plus I square y square plus I into 2xy is equal to I square x square plus y square plus I into 2xy. Both sides imaginary part I2xy cancel. X square minus y square is equal to minus x square plus y square is 2x square is equal to 2y square. From this, y square is equal to x square, y is equal to plus or minus x. This is the relation between the x and y. If x comma y belongs to R and x square plus y plus 4i and minus 3 plus x square y I are conjugate to each other, then mod x plus mod y whole square is equal to dash. APM set 2019 question. So here is given two complex numbers, that is first one is z1 is equal to x square plus y plus 4i and z2 is equal to minus 3 plus x square y into I. Given these z1 comma z2 are conjugate to each other, that means z1 is equal to z2 bar. So z1 is x square plus y plus 4i equal to z2 bar, that is minus 3 minus x square y into I. Equating real parts, x square plus y is equal to minus 3, and imaginary parts 4 is equal to minus x square y. From this, y is equal to minus 4 by x square. Substituting in this equation, x square minus 4 by x square is equal to minus 3. So x to the power of 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 3x square. X to the power of 4 plus 3x square minus 4 is equal to 0. This is x square minus 1 into x square plus 4 is equal to 0. From this, x square minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. Putting in this, y is equal to minus 4 by x square is 1, is equal to minus 4, y is minus 4. So modulus of x plus mod y whole square is equal to mod x is 1 plus mod y is 4 whole square, that is 1 plus 4, 5 square is equal to 25. Therefore, mod x plus mod y whole square equal to 25. Let a comma b are the least and greatest values respectively of modulus of z1 plus z2, where z1 is equal to 12 plus 5i and mod z2 is equal to 9, then a square plus b square is equal to dash. Here z1 is given, that is z1 is equal to 12 plus 5i. We find modulus of z1, that is under root of 12 square plus 5 square, that is equal to 144 plus 25, that is equal to root over 169 is equal to 13. So from this, mod z1 is equal to 13 and mod z2 is given, that is mod z2 is 9. We know that modulus of z1 plus z2 is modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. This is less than or equal to mod z1 is 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is 22. So here is greatest value. This b is given. B is equal to greatest value equal to 22. And we know that modulus of z1 plus z2, which is greater than or equal to mod z1 minus mod z2, which is greater than or equal to mod z1 13 minus mod z2 9, that is 13 minus 9 is 4. Here is small a is given, least value. So least value is equal to 4. Now we find a square plus b, that is a square is 4 square plus 20 square, that is 4 square is 16 plus 20 square 22 square, 22 square, that is 484, that is equal to 500. For a square plus b square is equal to 500. The points in the organ plane represented by the complex conjugates of 1 plus 2i, 2 minus 3i, 3 minus 4i is dash. Here is given the points 1 plus 2i. So conjugates of 1 plus 2i comma 2 minus 3i comma 3 minus 4i is 1 minus 2i and 2 plus 3i, 3 plus. These points forms that capital A is 1 comma minus 2, a capital B 2 comma 3 and capital C 3 comma 4. So now we find the distances. AB is equal 2 minus 1 whole square 1, 3 plus 2 whole square, that is 25 equal to root 26. So BC under root of 3 minus 2 whole square 1, 4 minus 3 whole square 1 is equal to root. And then find AC. AC is equal to the root of 3 minus 1, where is 4, 4 plus 2, that is equal to root 40. So here is distances are all not same. So from this equation AB square plus BC square, which is less than AC square. 26 plus 2, 28 less than 40. So triangle ABC is obtuse angle triangle. If A is equal to 3 plus 4i, comma, Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers such that mod Z1 is equal to 3 and modulus of Z2 minus A is equal to 2, then the maximum value of mod of Z1 minus Z2 is dash. We know that here is given A is equal to 3 plus 4i. So mod A is equal to under root of 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 225 is equal to 5. Now we know that modulus of Z1 minus Z2, which is less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Here is mod Z1 value is given, that is 3 plus this mod Z2 is written as Z2 minus A plus A, which is less than or equal to 3 plus mod of Z2 minus A plus mod A. So which is less than or equal to 3 plus mod Z2 minus A value is 2, mod A value is 5, which is less than or equal to 10. So modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is less than or equal to, therefore maximum value of mod Z1 minus Z2 is 10. If Z is a complex number such that modulus of Z minus 6 by Z is equal to 5, then the maximum value of mod Z is dash. So mod Z, that mod Z is equal to modulus of Z minus 6 by Z plus 6 by Z. So add and subtracting 6 by Z, which is less than or equal to modulus of Z minus 6 by Z plus modulus of 6 by Z. Mod of 6 minus Z minus 6 by Z value is given, that is 5 plus 6 by mod Z. Is mod Z is equal to take LCM, that is mod Z square, which is less than or equal to 5 mod Z plus 6. So mod Z whole square minus 5 mod Z minus 6 less than or equal to 0. So that is mod Z minus 6 into mod Z plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. From this equation, minus 1 less than or equal to mod Z less than or equal to 6. So maximum value of mod Z 6. Here minimum value is minus 1. If a complex number Z is such that 7 plus I into Z plus Z bar minus of 4 plus I into Z minus Z bar plus 116 I is equal to 0, then the value of Z into Z bar is dash. Here Z is a complex number, that is Z is equal to X plus IY and Z bar is equal to X minus IY. Now we find Z plus Z bar, that is equal to 2x, and Z minus Z bar is equal to I into 2y. Substituting these values in the given problem, that is 7 plus I into Z plus Z bar minus of 4 plus I into Z minus Z bar plus 116I is equal to 0, that is 7 plus I into Z plus Z bar, that is 2x, minus of 4 plus I into Z minus Z bar, that is I into 2y, plus 116I is equal to 0, that is 14x plus 2ix minus 4 into I2y, that is I into 8y minus 2I square y plus 116 into I is equal to 0. 14x plus 2ix minus I 8y, I square is minus 1, this is 2y plus 116I is equal to 0. So equating real parts, that is 14x plus 2y is equal to 0. So from this 2y is equal to minus 14x and y is equal to minus 7x. And equating imaginary parts, that is 2x minus 8y plus 116 is equal to 0. Take 2 common, x minus 4y plus 58 is equal to 0. Substituting y value in this equation, x minus 4 into 7 y value, that is minus 7x plus 58 is equal to 0. 7 into 4 28, 29x plus 58 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Substituting, that is y is equal to minus 7 into minus 2, that is equal to 14. Though y value is, therefore z into z bar is equal to, z is x plus iy, z bar is x minus iy. Z means minus 2 plus 14i, minus 2 minus 14i. So that is minus 2 whole square minus 14i whole square. This square is 4 minus 14i square, that 196 square. 4 plus I square is minus 1, that is 4 plus 196. For z bar is equal to, the value of z bar is, in a organ plane, the quadrant in which 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I lies is dash, APM set. So here is given 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I. This is lies in which quadrant? So take rationalization, multiplying and dividing by 1 plus I into by 1 plus I, that is equal to 1 plus 2i plus I plus 2i square by denominator a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, 1 square minus I square, that is equal to 1 plus 3i, 2i square, I square is minus 1, that is minus 2 by 1 square is 1, I square is minus 1, that is plus 1, is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3i by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I into 3 by 2. Here the point is minus 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Here x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. This lies in second quadrant. The given problem 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I lies in second quadrant. If x plus iy whole power 1 by 3 is equal to 5 plus 3i, then 3x plus 5y is equal to dash. This is APM set 2017 question. Here is given x plus iy whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 5 plus 3i. So now x plus iy is equal to 5 plus 3i whole cube. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, that is x plus iy is equal to a cube, that is 5 cube plus b cube 3i whole cube plus 3a square b, 5 square into 3ab square, 3a 5b square is 3i whole, is 5 cube is equal to 125. Here I cube minus I, so 3 cube is 27, 5 square 25, 25 into 3 75, 70 plus 75 into 3i plus 3 into 5 15, 15 into 9 I square. Here I square is minus 1, that is equal to 125 minus 27i, 75 into 3, 25i, 15 into 9, that is 135. I square is minus 1, this is minus, that is 125 minus 135, that is equal to minus 10, minus 27 plus 225i, that is plus 98i. This is x plus iy is equal, therefore x equating real parts, that is x is equal to minus 10, equating real parts, imaginary parts is y is equal to 198. Now we find the value of 3x plus 5y is equal to 3 into x value minus 10 plus 5 into y value 198 is equal to minus 30 plus 5 into 198, that is 990, that is equal to 96 is the value of 3x plus 5y. If 2 plus 3i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary, then cos square theta is equal to dash. APM set 2017 question. Here is given 2 plus 3i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means real part equal. Now we take rationalization. Is 1 plus 2i sin theta, 1 plus 2i sin theta. Adding and dividing by 1 equal to 2 plus 4i sin theta plus 3i sin theta plus 6i square sin square theta by 1 minus 4i square sin square. So here real part, given this is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means real part is equal to, real part is 2 minus 6 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta equal to 0. From this 2 minus 6 sin square theta is equal to 0. Sin square theta is equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, we know that sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. For cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. The value of cos square theta by 3. If z comma iz and z plus iz are the vertex of a triangle and mod z is equal to 4, then the area of the triangle is. We know that the formula, if z comma iz comma z plus iz are the vertex of a triangle, then its area is equal to, then area equal to half mod z square. Here is given mod z is equal to 4 is given, therefore area delta is equal to half into mod z square, 4 square 15 by 2 equal to 8. The area of the triangle is if z is a complex number with mod z greater than or equal to 5, then the least value of mod z plus 2 by z is dash. APM set 2017 question. Here is given mod z greater than or equal to 5, that is 5 less than or equal to mod z. This mod z is equal to modulus of z plus 2 by z minus 2 by z, which is less than or equal to modulus of z plus 2 by z plus modulus of 2 by z. So here 5 less than or equal to modulus of z plus 2 by z plus 2 by mod z is 5. Is 5 minus by 5, which is less than or equal to modulus of z plus 2 by z. This is 25 minus 2 by 5, which is less than or equal to modulus of z plus 2 by z equal to 23 by 5, which is less than or equal to modulus of z plus 2 by z. The least value is of modulus of z plus 2 by z is 23 by 5. If z1 is equal to minus root 3 plus I, comma z2 is equal to minus root 3 minus I, then the principal amplitude of the complex number z1 by z2 is dash. This is AP MSET 2017 question. So now we find z1 by z2. z1 is minus root 3 plus I by z2 minus root 3 minus I. So take rationalizing is minus root 3 plus I by minus root 3 plus I is equal to minus root 3 into minus root is 3 minus root 3I minus root 3I plus I square, that is minus 1 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is minus root 3 whole square is 3 minus I square, that is plus 1, that is equal to 3 minus 1 2 minus 2 root 3 I by 4, that is equal to 2 by 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 I equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into I. So this z1 by z2 is equal 1 by 2 is cos 60 is cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3. This is equal to cos of minus pi by 3 is cos pi by 3 plus I sin of minus pi by 3. z1 by z2 is equal to cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin of minus pi by 3. Therefore, principal amplitude is equal to principal amplitude equal to minus pi by 3. If z is not equal to 0 is a complex number such that z square plus z mod z plus mod z square is equal to 0, then z is in the set of AP MSET 2017 question. Here is given relation is z square plus z into mod z plus mod z whole square is equal to 0. Let us take z is equal to omega, that means mod z is equal to 1. Substituting these values in this, plus it z square plus omega into 1 omega plus mod z square is 1 omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal. So z is equal to omega satisfies this equation, and let z is equal to omega square. Similarly, mod z is equal to 1. Substituting these values, that is omega to the power of 4 plus omega square into 1 plus mod z square is equal to 1. Here omega power 4 is omega plus omega square plus 1 is equal to 0. Z is equal to omega square satisfies the given relation. Therefore, set is equal to omega comma omega square. Here third option is correct answer. If log of mod z square minus mod z plus 1 by 2 plus mod z base 1 by root 3, which is greater than minus 2, then z lies inside dash. This is AP MSET 2017 question. Here is given log of mod z square minus mod z plus 1 by 2 plus mod z base 1 by root 3 greater than minus 2. So cancellation logarithm, that is mod z square minus mod z plus 1 by 2 plus mod z, which is greater than 1 by root 3 whole power minus 2. So 1 by root 3 whole power minus 2 value is 3, that is mod z square minus mod z plus 1 by 2 plus mod z is greater than 3. That is mod z square minus mod z plus 1, which is greater than 6 plus 3 mod z. That is mod z square minus z plus 3z. Take this side, that is minus 4 mod z plus my 1 minus 6, that is minus 5, which is greater than 0. That is mod z square minus 4 mod z minus 5, which is greater than 0. That is modulus of z mod z plus 1 into mod z minus 5 is greater than 0. From this equation, minus 1 less than or equal to mod z less than or equal to 5. From this mod z less than 5, mod z value is root x square plus y square, that is x square plus y square, which is less than 25, which is a circle. So from this, third option is correct answer. Third option, circle, is a 13 e power I tan inverse 5 by 12 is equal to a plus ib. Then the ordered pair a comma b is equal to dash. This PMSET 2018 question. So let us take, let theta is equal to I tan inverse, theta is equal to I tan inverse of 5 by 12. From this, tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Right? Tan theta means that is 5 by 12. This is 5, 12, 13. From this, cos theta is equal to 12 by 13 and sin theta is equal to 5 by 13. So 13 e to the power of I theta is equal to a plus ib. So 13 into e power I theta value, that is cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to a plus ib. So 13 into cos theta, that is 12 by 13, plus I into sin theta, that is 5 by 13, is equal to a plus ib. So 12 plus 5i is equal to a plus ib. Therefore ordered pair a comma b is equal to 12 comma 5.